Hello everyone, my name is Arohi and welcome to my channel. So guys, in my today's video, we'll learn about agentic AI. We have learned how traditional AI is limited by its rule and programming. Now let's take a look at agentic AI. Agentic AI is a new kind of AI that can adapt, learn and make decisions on its own. With agentic AI, systems are not just following instructions. They can think for themselves, they can make decisions based on real-time data, and they can even learn from the user interactions. So this means agentic AI is capable of handling unexpected scenarios and it can adapt to new information without the need for constant updates from human. Let's understand this with example. I'll show you a few examples so that you can differentiate between traditional AI systems and the agentic AI system. So let's take an example. Let's say we have a shopping recommendation system. So this example I'm going to take, I'll explain you the same example, how this example work with traditional AI, and the same example how it will work with the agentic AI. Okay, so suppose there is a company and they have a recommendation engine, and that recommendation engine is built using traditional AI. So a regular recommendation engine means the recommendation engine which is developed using traditional AI will suggest product based on what you have bought or looked at in the past. It recommends similar items, but it does not change much if your shopping habits suddenly shift. How agentic AI works? Now let's see that. Agentic AI goes a step further. It looks at real-time factors like current discounts, limited time sales, and the stock availability. So it also tracks your shopping habits over time and it adjusts the suggestion to fit your current needs. So let's say you're a new mom. Before you shopped on Amazon or Myntra or any other shopping site for things like clothes, accessories and beauty products, right? But recently you have started buying things for your baby like baby clothes, diapers or toys. Agentic AI would notice this change and it will automatically update its recommendation to match your new shopping focus. So Amazon, they use agentic AI to provide us personalized shopping experience. Okay, so instead of showing clothes for yourself, it would recommend you baby related items like this cribs or baby skincare products or toys. Agentic AI works with real-time data also. For example, agentic AI can also send you notifications about time sensitive deals like there is a flash sale on baby gear, or it can warn you if the item which is there in your cart is running low on stock, or let's say if that item is close to its expiration date, right? So this kind of time sensitive data, agentic AI works on that also. So for example, if you add a baby formula to your cart and it might notify you if the price drops or if the fresh stock become available, right? So with agentic AI you get a shopping experience that is dynamic, personalized and adaptive. Now let's take another example, autonomous vehicles, right? So Tesla self-driving cars are powered by agentic AI that constantly learn and adapt to new conditions. So these vehicles don't just, follow the pre-programmed rules. They make real-time decisions based on the current road conditions or traffic or the cars surrounding. So for example, if Tesla's AI detect that the traffic is congested or a road is closed, then it will reroute the vehicle autonomously. It will also adjust its driving strategy to ensure that the car reaches its destination safely and efficiently. So, and another example is Netflix and Spotify. They both use agentic AI to provide us personalized recommendation based not just on our past viewing or listening habits, but also on real-time factors like your mood, time of the day, and the current activity. For example, For example, let's say you have been watching action movies, but one evening you switch to documentaries about the nature. Then agentic AI would immediately detect this change in your preference and it will adjust the recommendations for you, and it will start suggesting you more nature documentaries or similar educational content. So this is what agentic AI is, and I hope this video is helpful. And guys, if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.